ti mi ho no ya sorry am so be gu nso ka krant mi pie doctor bi be mi aso no doctor bi ho ti onime mi pie ya mi go dun so ya mi be no papa asum di enka na so asum di enka o so papa mi ho an me ni age o oh adai sa papa mi ho mi nim ye ka me nko wa sorry bat mi ho mi ni ti mi je na no me ye kra ye bo di wa so o so ye fi ye dem ana se de nyame ase se man go ya tantande na wo mi woni ti mi je se be ya ade bi ya ara ho ha wo no bia e be firi mu so mi ho we active me bravo o ga me nje hello
hi
entino o yo bia ase o hye nipa nkuran o ma nipa ren ho ase o ye bibisa okay na me so sigi na me say ona go bo nipa se ka me transa se nyani nyi ko enkwada nyina ni ko se nipa ba transa se se ko twenda but nipa hu ya ho so hwe titam bia no obi o problem kra na be ka so dem a afa go na problem ne be kese but me di na me da chebe no ti obi be wura so dem a ana me o problem kra be wura so dem a dan na adwena sesa and say you why me no wi ye no say papa na me show na the bia me kan wo me do I me papa me don be bia the way we see message and the way we see ni papa kasa no me hu on mani age me nya wa sorry ba me on ba me promise you say so wo go for the me be say bia if I talk for no me ma be for the wo because touch me na me say yes yesre o mo ye nya wo de ye ni to me bia amuso awa mu to ntuefo o say you pass ye to for no ana le broso o say dey na so for be mpefutuo
be mpefutuo
ana mo se me ntesa
ana Bishop Lumba royalty no kan o say bebrem emma asofofo nkran mpefutuo o ye mistake na correct na no bofu onimi se sebi wo de na nim metwitwifo
ana mo se me mpa me busa no se okra ne raho ewi ni dope na kra ne ni age nso mo na ga ni je etimi de do bia me mpefutuo ti won dia every blessed day bia mo hu se mo ho bia opoto ba me temetu bia ready o so o wa mama na mama na mama yesu si de opoto ya kese no onya ketwa afọ mo so na o kra ni baba abo mi
Kobe ana send message prophet in Ngeja God bless you.
Oh, God bless you too.
So God bless you.
Mama go ntiase oh young man no kra nya dwane a ye be di ama foforo bi adie nyeso fudie nso sha tade ku njana ko ba o enya na nyeso fudie nya kare ke weti mu kom me ye very reverend me ma ko Bible school awie me ordaining pastor
Kobe I said this is a humble prophet. Was a prophet we humble.
Even when I'm
a humble prophet.
Even when I'm it is not my mind but the spirit. Oh, you mean you su and yet chuma and mafufro. Tio now ko ya ye kakra no the video ni come like duachi. Sanana go say
was it today I used to Kobe was it today is the day the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in this. For prophet in Ngeja is speaking the truth.
Wonderful, wonderful. Oh, I don't think you are the pen where man
was it today? Can you hear the party? Today is the day the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. For prophet Ngeja is speaking the truth.
Oh, no, grown yet. Charity the jungle. What you say? Today, I make a million of them. And you know more than ever. Come and go school, grad and go. Because yet, boy, me, I go go school, they never did make me one in them. Baby, too tight.
I used to so, Sister Elizabeth was it you must sometimes sit down and reflect on what life is about. Was it you must sometimes sit down and reflect on what this life is all about. What happened if you gain everything in life, offer and loses your soul?
What?
Was it a why interesting?
MC
MC Abrabum.
Was see Abrabum.
Every say
japadie ne woni
japadie ni nyina e said japadie ni nyina ne hwere ekra
e fa so me ne so
oh sister Elizabeth nyame sha pa
mama ke mama vontie ni enye japadie no da bi dan ne ka nya hwere
asa so for man no na ma wiase dwane bi se
ama ne bo wo man kasa mu na oba
David
Bible say
o man the boy na ama ya no musu didi wiase ani
don't say that a man who can a man no is what you about down
there one time
now we didn't do yo
prophet in Kenya ba ko be
oh that's only without and some new one man and funny year one yo Bible says no man can be better no 20 person
yes
and you are sorry that we will be catch on say what the others want me for Jesus Christ now cause we pray prophet in Kenya we be won kwase wo Lorenzo Casio I don't know me cancer because me nim kwa na mama obi
yes we are an instrument to God
yes ni won kwa kan be me ne ma ho ban kan be ma mu so ban but me nim kwa ana ma obi enti jeruade di na di no kura na de redo fam ka to ya duma me kan ho be nim din adantia yem di na me ni mo nyam mo ya so ye wa so bu be wa di na me ni mo nyam mo so ya ri o mo mu pa no ye mo di yes
so for na dia na ya ka kire nua ma no so to pressure ma me ano be ma bitim ko ware oba no he na setrem na nka be ma nko ye wiemfo ba ohu oba no foforo oba no so nka ye wiemfo ba afo de no ba bo na fofo bi afo ba ti woni na oba ya da ne jata no hwere si ni so de be ya se be ma no sa ware no jai Bible so sese de aka bo mu he ne agiti
ma me kan se be jira on nso no ye sure ene ye ka no ana se nko mo no ye di no me pese jira ho ba ye Tierio, Yonko Bay, partnership. Why no Yonko?
Yes.
Yonko no about Brabum, sir. Or by one was say. Your Yonko was, and your Yonko no about Brabot ye.
Yonko or the bomb was say.
Yes.
And what your Yonko
Brabot ye. A bit of better.
Yes, to show.
Did your Babu Brabot ye, your baby and answer for better baby? We are Babu Brabum. O mo se na ona we nice lady wa ko suwa bo degree we bi dia bi wo bi sika o ba bo mo sika na ko fo o di o sa
o be boss
o be guas o be tuto o be to asire
nti wo de da bi demanding na mi pewe wa fa ma na o ma
ana mi wa ko so me be we ni wa fa me na me no na ja na o pa cho o jeliye
ani that's so no ba ti no ba ni demanding bibria
mama get is straight Oba biara o ya responsible person on determine on demand o say that be mature the way you say o claim the future or think about future na me here we and I want to know that me just say oba say ni ano oba say o war na wa bra o nye ye da e bia bo
prophet will say oba demanding
oba biara o claim our marriage and our relationship o war na wa bra o nye ye da
bia man we man
me na me catch I'm telling you because oyo oba obi abura and obi aba che obia otu anje obia the other man no so oni no ko wona ko from claim ti de o pa bi wonu ade we da che no na o gene na ese
no
ti baba kokra na fe o ze on sa proceed na do be je na no go fo fi na ese o de bo super ne o bin pamba bo to bal bia na se bari be bia o ba wo se ke wo se de bia o claim no sa bari ma no o mo abra bo da on nin da che o gene ne ti yonko partnership so partner bi no nam na won se ni niema bi a wo ye bi nsisi so a cut it mfa won be be no ko duro chacho so Jesus Christ so won be wa tron ko si da eni awie tie yo
there are any awie
da eni da
any awie
ti se Jesus ba ke no ni partner no be ma ye no se eye na kan o ma kan so ere kom na ba ere a daughter. The Christ don't hear me. So no partners be war, and I know we are partners. I'm gonna Bema claim war about claim Bema, Massa Muntim Muntim, well, here we are, better in the country because I know Jamaica. Meaning Jamaica. Meaning Jamaica. Shall I make us Joe? Obi-Wan down for I don't want to on studying some years no Macacho. You want down for I don't want to go. Me young couple of go you are. So, who is one grandpa who did not have a pierce no one's only beer? What an amount. Or no, I didn't know that, or didn't say men only did teacher mania. Now, so who are down for and I want to go. Or me and who need pa. Or any person in an auntie. Your phone and 4p. Or the sending muta as a nipple. And phone and photo.
Prophet Nyankaja say, me for 2 million by me about my women. Set your fan and 4p. What is say? Nini Petria. And he's saying, so fan and 4p, Breno and fan and 4 meaning dear was rap. We do Rebino. I can hear my young cock and copper mamma, young copper ma, young washiwi, young cononsa, young goyesi, young goyesi, Nini and no black one, I say. O father for pa, or braboye, and he's saying, so a father for pana, oh, mammy, no macam, robo, oh, of it, young pony and copper, and you may be near. Now that you know, and your mark yama, and crack. You see, what a little drop of water make a mighty ocean. And the Baba was no ye. But a nano, a mantian in my bower is so. I just see a penny. Yeah, I see a penny, and they ever see that for a side to us 10. Now I bet Papa and man who come to Mexico, and they ever see a pianos.
Me old maybe can should be. I started to deal with more than the door. You didn't show fra. I did me cousin making I have a woe. So steady here with the quotation, Mamma, you ever go to the washing. The entire because I should be a people that I didn't show from and say. So ya kola. Now person talk about Pano, I may talk about the door. What is the group? Ujeba. So you oba. Na love will be on ma. Who to say Obedru now for Subedrua. I just say Obedru Moja. And then walk away.
Because we read videos are pictures we did by a cook girl, you could the channel. Nancy back will be sending WhatsApp. You can and son a souvenir in a strip on the neck.
Well, you show you know the day I can't was. Danger is a nanny paya who pop for. Make come for years to Christo Mama Brabo. So before years ye. Yamo damo. Yeah, and the panic ready, and the panic fear the one is war. Nipache the one is war. On Yamit trade the Wakuman. So when you cook out there, what come on? Yami who ya. Never got on ground, but who never can do for. I didn't tell because my son would tell me the environment in the park. Mijoni Park, my guy. Never of come no. Men Canada. My son would tell me the me sending over Pamwa.
Dear classman,
yeah, my cousin the job. Many of you are senior friends of Poku or Ramsey. Now, a queen of the person. Oh, don't my boy, maybe I saw him. I'm going to be also on him and again with the chicken cracker. You go be a crabadacho. It looked ready. There are too many men now senior and say, oh, so that one, they want to want. Make keep on Libya. Can you walk? I want to make him so good, and win some of us. A common name may say, because Bible singing with their friend, no, can't be me Benia Bontin, conform no one until they go this schedule. I'm here 3, I count 3.
Nobody there.
You got this, maybe here this is 7 years. I'm telling you the fact.
What is schedule?
Yes, I know the American. Yes, you. Minimum. Now, minimum have appeared. Ghana. Agadas. I know that. Abentia because come about Libya. Nigeria needs of be. Can't tell them say, Oga, don't go there. When you go there, you die. You are a man prophet in Ghana. Go there and go and do the work. The Jerusalem is negotiate as go to let me show. However, so I'm very free swag no more. What do you mean you die? So for the you want to your friend and I want to choose one. I chose someone no on fan so we draw up on our opa but you choose so cassette one uniano
we are there you choose
yes
into we are there obey
above all my bad me na me born me say na me po me ye ne me pe mo to me do contract kwan so ba Nigeria
go na so ko na go schedule
yes Benia Monte. Your baby on your front island. Go Benia. Na me odone ke masalachi. Obi ni won obaka. Na me odone ke masalachi.
Na to go diske.
Na na yesi go diske do me wona mfo bi ni enye organ ya. Na omo yese yango fere mu na yesi ni mo edi. O ma me kan na bi ni me kan. Me ta kan sorry. Ti e kwa ba kwa di ngan ko wa hwe no. Ose ko fa girlfriend hunsu bla oba oja ka ba Ghana be fa ne girl no ene da hunsu ade be pa ma na
enti ma no mo premema ne asofo ne eskafo no mo hwe ma bra boyi
mi kele tu no fo tie ni ba
boyi o se wo da wansi di bi ho ada ho sa be content with what you have sika bebrebe what shall profit you so when you see japade nyina na ko fa ya de twitwi di de soa ho a na aye de
okoye no kajenze when you this is occasion and you know akwanjam for man no so okay what you wear no man handkerchief white no the bag Ghana the girlfriend and now one that time or Ghana no energy or then be down on the handkerchief people and the koye oba ne ngoda bono ne skase tam no o view me inside the wedu the toss also the what's no ono so ba ya ni ga beto ni dem na shi ni nyema nyina na me ngwa ngwa kan ba shi me du bi so na me koya o fa mi sa damfo so nyem sam
what's it
o so nyem sam
what's up nyem sam
ah ma sam ni na sam masa ya mi nsa na ba
tijere dem so ko mo de then when the fear share no and no share na ze bibia share
ni bibia shi ke dem go grango bo dan kan
enti that is scaro ye nyira
na mo ye na amba so bia
enti let's go base ka do na
amaro
era de
when ye oye dimo to ade tsaboa
oh to nye scaro agwa
agwa na to nye ma fuo ba Ghana it's like
ni je di musra
e ja shi ni dem niema nyina
ndi bra no obire nyina ma so ze
me sam na sam
no so sam je sam
me sam na sam asa obi o se me ya de nu nyina ya to se kan bia o se ya wudafu o sam no papa we do ono ne me ya ojima
o sam je sam
asa me na wo ba ti so papa we do wan de jima le ojima man jase me confirm na be fan ma Ghana me ko aflawo boda ya chimichire bia
montiase
me dwewo machine na me ntiase da me down for na me be me yem duma because me yem business
onya sika
me na sika me ba so me bi tom self your oba
e be ribia
ribi ni na mo vo pro ye bode me to pre na ponchi ni egum ni a excellent insight I know
I think I'm going more. I said, they didn't know that no be the machines be here, you or no.
Yes.
So why do any?
Because, oh, I don't find was your fool. But I didn't go to Papa Biada. A bit sit down, a bit gross Buddha.
Of one was your phone.
I've already get one.
No, I didn't.
No, better than Jerome.
And that is in a good point on a bank or any bank on them. And also subscribe
to
no subscribes. No, paying that the mono. Yes, I'm not a car mono.
It didn't last. We know your program and that's all for the yesterday. obi e ghetto boy Awurade mpɛ no na me chezo oboa fi se ha ma me ka secret bi njo wa ha Paul na oye Paul yi na oye Paul no ye wicked person or a dangerous boy on ghetto and obesi what you say no really a born war o you know because Roddy was in building nimpa bi be choose di bia on never pa you want to action the di papo
This is in Yakupon Pede say
rejected ones.
God loves the rejected souls.
Yes.
Why ye?
Madam Kato.
Mini and Minia Babinia Bema, what's so there? The dear what did Bonia do in Yamintiminjo. Oh, Bonia made Dama wanted in Yamintimin. Ah, Quania Mamba will bet my say no. The catch don't say. And yet too late.
And yet too late.
And yet too late.
Yes.
Abrabono, the be all bark up in piano. Stop a while. Na rade bit imagine before access scrap was had why that abe car am ya be ko
mami ka se bi o ka se obi ya gbadam e de ma bo say
o bo say de
Delilah o dia o boya G certificate
e no boy ni ba boy dwama mu certificate ya credit
it is the wiase nyina agi tum
ti o no dwama
o ye dwama bofu Yes Christ dim kra ye ni ko bie se when you are caught in the near
when they are connect
Moses
esi we de
yes Moses na say you got to do the man boss for you
guru
yes can send me and I me there I said you only born that
on fa born to
what you say born man the years the baby the years now from Archbishop ebesi akwala ya nyango no so so ka to you go any be then man here born na nyako what is them you say
before the TV and the prophet in Yankadia, then Abra Bowen Seven there, no, I shit a be pan and then so there. Mean me or him, Diano. Flash wide with me saying Uncle Pong or Fadi Apple at it, I say, where you need. And to baby, I say I could do piano in catch. Prophet, last word then I'll catch a tea for nigger.
Yo, let me catch him and my chief for your answer. And that's all Christo. Every part. I
made a soon.
Come and see Bra Beshe. Bra Beshe. Ebia na unim baby America ebia. Also go DBS. They watch at Dumbazi Junction. DBS from Dumbazi Junction. DBS. Dumbazi Junction. DBS. We see all Dumbazi Junction as well. DBS or friend number am dey my way. Number the dey my prophet in Yankeja number. Prophet Yankeja number no. DBS Dumbazi Junction. Momodi alpha number no. 0546 0546 85 85 73 73 80. Say bia wo abotire wo man be so. Ba bia wo bia the WhatsApp number of them on WhatsApp number. Ubetimi ma kasa wo WhatsApp. Wo message bi, wo anten bi how. Bi bi che wo so, wo problem bi a wo no dia fa WhatsApp number yi so. Na ya tie, na di mpa wa ta wachi. 0546 85 73 80 a WhatsApp number. Prophet Yankeja na WhatsApp number no. Ebia na wo haya nso na wo hwe me na wo ko so friend one and one. On this with your friend number with 0248 69 87 42 0248 69 87 42. Obetimi aba ne o from here the show eye Dumbazi Junction. Udu Dumbazi Junction also go DBS na go Dumbazi Junction na wa wo do o fra akra fa tie na me do Monday eye supernatural
eye bomba
eye wo control wo hefa obi no mo be bia obi yare Bible say mo so ade so am ko mo buo no mo mra rade nchen me ni tumi no mo be ba de o tumi ni Kristo bra ye won pa ne rade na na to so obi ni so be nhira tie na me aduma November 2nd November November second week first week second week ye go for there ti ye go na bietuma e be na wa kontumu wa bibia o pese wo so be bo bi number ni me no am to be bia out in this bibia faso say ya go che na wo wo ndi atoso say ya Ghana wo ndi afaso be bo na bietuma na ye mfanya adwuma mani yi be pa cho che Bible si o ma mo broni mo ohun mo broni mo bo no o de family grade be pa cho me nya sresrefo ti mensasade ye nyame adwuma yi uye bi Awurade hwa na Bible si won na me di ko bi di e wan hyere na mu de odi ma Awurade no Awurade hia no Awurade nka ho e bi na person ni me bon pai e na ba no nya tuka
Awurade hia so no before GTV ana adwuma di na de ko na wi me tia na me
mama che wife
me tia prophet so tia wife
my sweet
yes Chelsea
my honey baby
yeah
me don ba ko pe oba me don obi ase me don Abra Pokuya oya me fem pade me don bim do
oh my jealous
Awurade hia no na me fa nya ke sie we se so nchia Mr. Wodu our US me chia mo maka na me bra sofo o US sofo kwasi Awurade hia Awurade nka mo
okay Mrs. Subano so menchia ma de nyina esira ba setwumesi me do ba ko pe a oda makoma so am doni yi pa me wi am chia ma de nyina me maame ozo akontrol ma chia sister Mimi na me hia ma chia ma de nyina me brother ba ko we a friend brother from another mother
okay
me don papa brother Augustine na me hia o mo ade bia ye bia nyenkoso o mo obusua ne nye promprom o mi ekwana said that I didn't say na kokokokoko na OB4GA TV and God is powerful ministry and ye to nshia egu abrabo so obi ohwe bia na nshia bia bye bye.